Hey traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik here. Let us see the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market and what are the logic behind our analysis. Let us start with Nifty 50. On the last trading session, the Nifty 50 opened with huge gap up and just made a sideways and started moving towards the support area. So there was a huge selling on the last trading sessions. Both FA and DA made a selling, and the market opened around the price of 16,691 and made a low of 16,535, and the market finally closed around the price range of 16,568. So totally 123 points lower from the opening price. So what could we expect from the market tomorrow? Tomorrow is a Friday, so the market is now in between the no trading zone. We could only trade once when the market crosses above this resistance area. We could see that on the last few trading sessions this area was sideways. So we'll be getting confirmation once when the market crosses above 16,600 and sustains above it. We could go for a buy, and our targets will be the previous swing high, which is around 16,625, and the next resistance will be around 16,660. So these will be the targets on the buying side. And on the selling, whenever a bearish candle crosses and sustains below the last trading session's low, you could go for a sell, and our first target will be the support area 16,500. And if a bearish candle sustains and breaks out below this support, we could go for a sell by adding some more quantities, and our second target will be 16,430. And afterwards we could make a trailing stop loss, and we could expect a more fall over 16,400. So this is for Nifty 50. Now Nifty Bank. So the Nifty Bank also opened around the price of 36,222 and closed around the price of 35,480. So that was a huge fall. So on tomorrow we could go for a buy once when the market crosses above 35,700. So once when the market crosses above 35,700, we could go for a buy. The bullish candle has to be sustained above. We could make a confirmation by looking at 15 minutes candle. So once when the 15-minute candles breaks above this resistance and sustains above it, we could go for a buy. Here the market will be making a sideways, and then we'll go good momentum on the buying side, and our targets might be 36,000. So on the selling side, once when the market opens flat and closes with the bearish candle, we will be getting a very minimum stop loss and go for a sell, and our targets might be 35,150 on the selling side. And even if the candle breaks this support and sustains below it, we could go for a sell again, and our targets will be 34,850. So this is for Nifty Bank. And let us look into the stocks. HDFC Life. So in HDFC Life we could see a symmetrical triangle pattern. So once when the market opens and breaks above the symmetrical triangle, we could go for a buy, which is around the price of 675. If the market breaks above 675, we could go for a buy, and our targets will be 677. And if a bullish candle breaks and sustains above the 677 and 678 price level, we could go for a buy, and our targets will be 685. And we could go for a sell once when the market breaks down on the symmetrical triangle pattern and sustains below 668. We could go for a sell, and our target will be 663 on the selling side. Our next target is HDFC. Next stock is HDFC. In HDFC, we could go for a buy once when the candle crosses above 2,717. We could go for a buy. It will gradually move towards 2,730, and our next target will be 2,742 on the buying side. And we could go for a sell once when the red candle closes below 2,700 and sustains below it. We could go for a sell, and our target will be 2,677. Next stock is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank is making a sideways over this area. If the market opens flat and closes with a bearish candle and sustains below 749, we could go for a sell, and our first target will be 742, and our second target will be 730. and we could go for a buy once when the market opens flat and sustains on this region and then goes above 755. We could go for a buy, and there will be little targets on the buy side because we could see that it is almost near the resistance area. So instead of making any buying movement, we could go for a sell because it will be a very minimum stop loss and there is a higher probability of target achieving. So we will be looking towards making selling on Axis Bank. So these are all the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market. Hope you have liked the video, and all those chart analysis have been shared in my Telegram channel, and the link of my Telegram channel have been given in my description. So thanks for watching. Have a happy trading tomorrow. Thank you.